Alright friends, if you saw part 1 of this video, you saw me make this beautiful boho driftwood plant hanger. As you can tell, 6 months later, I've officially killed everything. Ivy's dead. This kangaroo plant or kangaroo fern is like hanging on by a thread. Yes, buddy, I see you. I see you, bud. So this is gonna be part 2 to the first one. I'm gonna kind of give this whole wall a makeover, and I'm gonna redo my boho driftwood plant hanger. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so my plan for the day is I'm gonna kind of give like this whole space a makeover, starting with painting it black. I feel like painting is like the cheapest and easiest way to give like a really dramatic change in a room, and I feel like I just need some pop. So I'm gonna paint it between the shiplap and the ceiling, and then this little side wall back here. It's also why I have all black on, so that I don't get black on anything crazy. Do some mild redecorating, and then I'm gonna redo this driftwood plant hanger with some new plants, baskets, hangers, and some new lights. So let's enjoy the day and let's jump right into it. Story, we actually had to break this couch in half to bring it through my front door. So yeah, this is about to be interesting. I gotta move the couch up, and then we're gonna do some like preppage. Is that a word? Preppage? Prepping? Preps? Whatever. And then we get to paint it black, and I'm actually super stoked because I saw some really cool like Pinterest images. I was like, should I do it? Should I not do it? I was actually gonna wallpaper it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna paint it. And then like pictures started popping up on my Pinterest, and I was like, oh yes, I'm definitely painting it. If I can get this munchkin off the couch, let's get to moving. Guys, so the wall is pretty much dried. Looks freaking awesome as of now, but I can't wait until the morning. I'm gonna touch up a little bit, so I will see you guys then. Good morning. All right, let's go see what we're working with. My living room is destroyed, but hey, that doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. All right, I still have a bit of touching up to do, but I'm gonna start peeling the tape, which is like the best part.
You got a fast car, and I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing.
All right, so I'm pretty much done with the black wall. I did some touch-ups on it. The only thing that sucks is this like corner of the wall, but I'll figure something out to either touch that up or put a molding on it to blend it a little more. But you know what? It looks good. So let's put the Boho Driftwood Plant Hanger up and continue on.
Somebody's gotta take care of him. I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car, and I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city, and you and I can both get jobs.
Alright guys, what I want to do is actually, I want to repropagate the pothos plant, which is like my favorite viney one. And it's really cool. You can like put one vine into like a vase of water like this. And I actually saw them do this at my juicery. So I'm going to just do some like DIY like hanging vases. And I'm going to do that with string and a hot glue gun and these little vases. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting a piece of string, and this piece of string is going to be the length that I want it to hang from. So I'm basically going to figure out how long I want it, and then I'll cut this. We're going to put some hot glue on the sides of this. Part of me was thinking that it'd be cool to have some beads on there. So I'm actually thinking I'm going to add a couple beads to just hang on the sides.
You got a fast car. We go cruising.
Alright, once you have the little beads on, if you wanted the beads on, then I'm actually just going to knot the bottom of this. Let's make it easier. Hit it with the hot glue on the sides. Make sure that that's pretty evenly on both sides. I'm just gonna hot glue that down. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Then I'm gonna take another piece of string. This got a little bit messy for me, but you basically just take that string and you're gonna add some hot glue around the opening of the vase, and we're just gonna kind of like wrap it up to make it look pretty cool. And I actually love the way that these turned out, even though it was kind of messy. It's super easy, and it's like the perfect addition to the planter.
Stay out drinking late at the bar, see more of your friends than you do your kids. I always hope for better. Thought maybe together you and me'd find it. I got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. Take a fast car and keep on driving. And I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I feel like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? Still gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way.
All right guys, I freaking love the way that this is turning out. Last step is gonna be to hang these little Bistro lights that I got from Target. You can kind of tell they're like these warm matte lights. Hopefully this will be just like the cherry on top of the pie, cherry on top of the cake, cherry on top of the pie, cherry on the sundae. I don't know, but hopefully this just is like icing on the cake. That's what I'm trying to think of. But let's just jump ahead and see how this turns out. You guys, I am shook. Like I am proud of my damn self right now. The lights literally just brought it to life. Like, talk about a vibe. This is gonna change like the whole mood of my entire house. This is the mood that I needed, that I've been needing. It's beautiful. I just absolutely love it. There's no way I could love it more. Except for I do have a few more decorations to put up, but just look at what the lights did though. Just look at what the lights did. Just admire that for a minute and then we're gonna get back to the decorations.
Guys, so the black and mustard pillows are new from Ikea. The mirror is from Target, it's Studio McGee. And then these little candelabra things are from Ikea too, and I just think they really tie it together.
All right guys, so here was the before. Neglected, kind of lacking, basic. Are you guys ready to see the after? All right.
Oh my gosh, guys. So it really goes without saying just how much I absolutely love the way that this has turned out. Such simple changes like painting can really make the world of a difference. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it, because I really had so much fun. And if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button. Please comment below, guys, and let me know who's watching this. Say hello and subscribe to help out a young YouTuber, and in return you will get DIYs, furniture flips, and the occasional lifestyle tip. So I will be seeing you guys next week, but like I always say, love hard, be a light, and always have a little faith in your future. See you guys next time. Bye.